Both US crude and US crude WTI and NG have started the week on a bearish note and trading with a slight drop now at 79.5 and 6.5 levels respectively. So what to expect? It is going to crash from here, or is it going to bounce back? If yes, which position we should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest updates. Let's start. First we look into US crude followed with NG. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully and note down the level. On the hourly charts, you can find it is trying to create a channel of its own. It is trying to trade in this. The highs are situated at 80.5 and the lows, they are far away below 78, somewhere at around 77 levels. So yes, it is trying to trade in this, possibly achieving the lows. It can try to trade bearish. Only buy position is today is above 80.5, beyond which you can expect it to rise a little. If it trades above 80.5, certainly we may see it achieving 81.5, 82, 82 is the next target. Beyond that, further bullishness to be seen. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is looking downwards here. The MACD is trying to take a bearish cross here. It is in green right now and may try to converge. RSI is trading comfortably near to bottom there. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, it has shown the reversal here, and since then it has given a good drop. But also one must not forget that it is still trying to trade in this bullish channel, hence only you can sell there, but sell there at 79 levels. Below 79 you can expect that the bearishness may prevail. It can try to attempt and achieve 78 levels, and below that a further drop can be expected. So 79 level is a good short entry. At the same time 80.5 is a good long entry. Beyond 80.5 certainly more bullishness can be expected. Directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge from the bottom here and may give you a little bullishness. That is what the contra indication what we are getting here. RSI is trading at the bottom, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. See, retracement, drop, retracement, and this is first red candle, so we can expect another red candle. It may try to take it till towards 78. If it is not bearish, it may bounce back from these levels, forming the double bottom. If it is bearish, it can break below 78 and continue in this bearish momentum. How far it can go? On the downside, you can find out. It is looking forward to 76 levels. Let's see if it continues to trade with this bearish momentum, because see, the directional movement is extremely divergent and bearish. It may start to converge a bit. The stochastic is comfortable, though it is not yet oversold or not neither overbought. But look at the MACD. This is trading at the extremes. This is trading at the bottom, and it must start to converge and give you bullish moves from here. Hence, trade accordingly. The RSI is trading near to the bottom, and if you look at the 4-hour charts here, on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. It is trying to trade within this channel, which you need to be aware of. Only beyond 80.5 you should buy. Beyond that, certainly bullishness can prevail, and then 82 levels cannot be denied. Any sell entries below 79, certainly it may try to trade further lower levels. Direction movement extremely divergent and bearish. Stochastic has come to comfortable levels. The MACD is bearish here, divergent, and RSI trading at the bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, it is started with a flat note there, and the tail on the previous candle was sharp. It may try to confine its movement within the previous tail, and hence even if it tries to drop 78, certainly should be a very good support. And from those levels you will see how it behaves. The possibility of a bounce back on oil at 78 does exist. See, it may try to create high. If you look at first, what it did is double top, and it may try to at max create a double bottom, or if it is trying to squeeze, it will give you higher lows. Hence 78 certainly is going to be a very good support. On the daily charts, the direction movement is extremely bearish. The stochastic is again trading at the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish here. MACD has seen a high probably, which appears that from here it may try to converge again. The RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, you can sell there at 79, and then below that expect 78.4 and 78 level. 78 is going to be a very good support for oil. Only below 78 you can expect a further drop, where we will be looking forward to 76 levels, if not today, possibly by tomorrow, and below levels are also possible. On the upside, you should buy here at 80.5. Beyond that, certainly you can expect that 82 levels are almost possibly which it may try to achieve. If not 82, 81.8, certainly a little lower levels can be seen. Beyond 82, certainly it is going to fry. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 79 and 80.5 levels for $1.5. Stay away. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying the right trades, entering the right trades, and trading them profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The last batch of this year is going to start on 28th of November. Do not miss this opportunity. Be a part of it. Definitely, you can equip yourself with the right tools and strategies for you to become a profitable trader in the year 2023. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals, definitely you can profit. Now look at NG's movement on the hourly chart. First, lower highs are formed here, and yes, it is trying to form even head and shoulders. Let's see if it continues to break past. Also look at the hourly charts. Yes, after a big bullish move, it is trying to drop here. Once it drops below 6.5, you can take a short position. Then 6.45, 6.42 are very good support, and below that it may try to break strongly. So once again 6.4 should come to the rescue. Below 6.4 we may see a very good break there. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards, trading bearish. The MACD is again trying to take a bearish crossover. The RSI is looking downwards. This is one part to it, but at the same time one must not forget that on the hourly charts it is still trying to squeeze out a bit on the upside. 6.65, 6.7 zone certainly is going to be a very strong resistance. Now this is just on the hourly charts. Let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, drop, retracement, lower highs, and now again trying to look with the drop. So yes, it is trying to create a movement, bearish movement channel of its own, and this is what it is trying to create. On the downside, once it drops below 6.5, certainly 6.4 is the major support, and then below that we may see a good drop in NG, which may try to bring it further down till towards 6.2 levels. The directional movement is moderately bullish, stochastic falling from the highs. The MACD is again diverging here. It is bearish here. The RSI is also looking downwards on the 2-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, highs, lower highs are done, and this is second red candle. Third red candle can be expected. 6.4 can be expected. Yes, if it drops below 6.5, you should sell there only. Why? Because see, till the time there is a probability that it can try to give you or trade in this channel. There is a possibility of it to remain bullish till the time it trades above 6.5 levels. Till the time it trades above 6.5, do not sell. Below 6.5, direct entry till 6.4. Very good support, very strong support at 6.4. If it breaks below 6.4, certainly you can expect that we are looking forward to 6.2 levels in the near future, maybe today or tomorrow. Directional movement is taking a bearish cross, stochastic falling from the highs, looking downwards here, and the RSI is looking downwards too. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts you will find retracement and then the drop. It is trying to create the symmetry. It is trying to complete the journey. 6.4 definitely a good support. Only below 6.4 you can expect that 6.3 should be seen, which is again, and 6.2 levels will be expected. On the upside, the buy position is only above 6.65 levels. Beyond that, certainly little more bullishness to be seen. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is trying to cross over for a sell, RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now on the daily charts, after a little of retracement, it is trying to give you a break, and the break can be stronger enough. However, if you look at the movement of NG, it is still trying to trade within this channel, and hence 6.16 levels should be a very good support. So even if it tries to drop, do not consider this as bearish. Probably till 6 levels. Only if it breaks below 6, there is going to be definitely very strong break on the downside. See, it has taken the retracement, and now any drop below 6 should be considered very seriously, and then we may see it hitting 5.4, 5.5 levels very soon. So for the day, sell at 6.5, but then expect 6.4, 6.2 levels and 6 levels to come to rescue. If it draws below 6 any point of time today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, stay short for NG, and it is going to give you very good break in a single or a couple of candles, taking it till towards 5.4, 5.5 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. For the day, sell at 6.5, buy at 6.65. Do not trade in between this $1.5. Yes, today is a wide range, but you need to trade with caution, preserve your capital. Stay away for $1.5. Below 6.5, you can expect 6.4 to 6.35, 6.3, 6.2 levels. 6.2 is very good support. Below that, 6.1, and then 6 levels are 6 is the ultimate support. Below that, it is going to crash strongly on the downside. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.